Grand, if I have to look at the last 6 years, 7 years, it's been phenomenally growing year after year, season after season. And if you ask me personally what I've grown in Grand, I've become from a proprietor to a partnership company.
When I joined, it was almost like a 35-member team. But however, whether it was 35 or today we are at 65, it never mattered, because in terms of business, in terms of bonding and professionalism, Grand always stood high. And but in terms of growth, I've seen tremendous growth in Grand in terms of new members from different categories coming in, joining.
If you have to say, if anything about BNI Grand, I say it is understated. BNI Grand is more to a family, and it's an association with people who trust you. The relationship which developed in Grand is phenomenal. Grand is basically on the foundation of a trust with each other.
The quality of members that you find in BNI Grand who are so credible in their own businesses that we can refer them with confidence. So that is one thing which makes us unique as BNI Grand. And there are other chapters which are bigger, smaller, but why this chapter is one of the best chapters in the region in the last 7 years is because of its credible members.
It is always Grand in terms of creating benchmark in this region. And when I say benchmark, B2B Expo is one example. Based on that, entire BNI region started creating GoNat exhibition they started. And yes, this is how we have been setting a benchmark, and it's a wonderful family. When I say family, I mean it.
I've been to many trainings and many events where, as a BNI team, I used to meet people of other chapters, and I always get that positive feedback from the other chapters. Wow, you're from Grand. And yes, I personally also experienced that warmthness among the members. It's beyond the business that you get that relationship bonded.
About BNI Grand, it's a very, very good platform, especially for startup companies and who want to, even though established companies also who want to expand their business. It's like, see, more than 70 members, a strong bonding. BNI Grand gives not only business, social attachment. See, wherever we are playing social activities like treasure hunt, cricket and other social, family social, we are doing fantastically. And it is a grand, I say it's a grand community.
That's one of the strongest points what Grand always has, which not only reflects within our chapter, but also Grand as a name reckons in the entire region as well, where Grand today is standing almost like among the top 3 or top 4 chapters, which has been around generating business month on month consistently, more than around 4 crores per month, which is one of the biggest strengths.
What Grand as a business making machine, we understand that the business has to be number.
Yes, Grand is always Grand.
I have made some 3 or 4 great friends whom I can share, who are invited to my personal things, I am invited to their personal things.
That personal touch and a family wala feeling.
I feel it's my family. This is BNI.